If there's something, sometimes if they know that you're working, they will do the drug activity at a certain time.